Welcome to the ScaleB channel. Powered by Aras Innovator. Welcome to Aras PLM Essentials for SMBs, by ScaleB. A series designed to help small and mid-sized businesses simplify product lifecycle management. Let's take a look at how Aras delivers a fully integrated project management experience, structured, connected, and built for real execution. Still juggling spreadsheets, email threads, status updates, and endless manual tracking just to keep a project moving? Most organizations rely on a mix of disconnected tools, and that fragmentation leads to delays, miscommunication, and lost visibility. ScaleB, with Aras Innovator, brings everything together in one integrated project management system. Tasks, teams, schedules, deliverables, WBS, documents, and changes, all connected, traceable, and always up to date. Let's begin by creating a project template. Templates ensure consistency, making it easy to launch new projects with standardized phases, tasks, and workflows. Next, define your work breakdown structure. With clear phases, tasks, and dependencies, the WBS becomes the backbone of every project, ensuring precision and predictable execution. Now that our template is ready, we can use it to create a new project. Similarly, we can create a team template. In this team template, we can assign specific roles like design, process, and manager to team members and configure the template as needed. In the upcoming steps, we will see how to use this template when creating a new project. Now, let's start by creating a new project from the template. Here, you can select the team template that we configured earlier. And here, you can select the project template that we configured earlier. This instantly builds the entire structure, tasks, dependencies, durations, and assigned resources within seconds. All tasks appear automatically based on the WBS. Whether it's engineering, procurement, or quality activities, everything is created and connected right away. Team members can complete their assigned work directly from their in-basket. Simple, centralized, and always synchronized. The moment a task is completed, Aras updates the project in real time and managers instantly see progress, bottlenecks, and upcoming deadlines. Variance columns reveal gaps between planned and actual progress, which can be seen here. The system will highlight delays immediately, allowing project managers to adjust resources before issues grow. Progress reporting becomes effortless with a simplified activity completion form. Team members update work quickly and accurately, without navigating complex screens. With integrated project management, Aras unifies planning, execution, and tracking into one connected ecosystem. Your team gets complete visibility, and your projects stay on time, on track, and fully under control. This video is brought to you by ScaleB, powered by Aras Innovator. Plan smarter, execute faster, deliver with confidence. Subscribe for more PLM and project management insights.